Today I will discuss about the important MCQ questions related with the biology subject, and these questions are very important from the examination point of view. And our today's main topic that is related with the MCQ questions is excretory system. So before starting the MCQ questions, what do you mean by the term excretory system? So dear students, excretory system is a vital biological system that removes excess and waste products from the body to maintain homeostasis. So it is the definition, or it is the introductory part of the excretory system. And our first question related with this topic is the uppermost and largest bone of the pelvis is, your options are iliac crest, ilium, ischium and obturator foramen. So these are the options related with this questions, the uppermost and largest bone of the pelvis is. So out of these options, the right option is ilium. So ilium, it is the uppermost and largest part of the pelvis bone, that is ilium. And it is the right option that the ilium is the largest part of the hip bone and that makes up the superior. So it is the right answer, ilium. Our next question is, what is the main function of the urinary bladder? It is our second question. What is the main function of the urinary bladder? Options are to produce urine, second one is to store urine, to regulate fluid and electrolyte balance in the body, and the last one is to regulate blood sugar levels in the body. So what is the main function of the urinary bladder? Urinary bladder का जो main function है वो क्या है? यूरिन को प्रोड्यूस करना, यूरिन को स्टोर करना, या फिर रेगुलेट करता है फ्लूइड एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बैलेंस इन द बॉडी, एंड द लास्ट वन इज टू रेगुलेट द शुगर लेवल्स इन द बॉडी. सो इसमें जो सही ऑप्शन है हमारी बेटे वो क्या है? टू स्टोर यूरिन. दिस इज द राइट आंसर. जो मेन फंक्शन है हमारा यूरिनरी ब्लैडर का, दैट इज टू स्टोर यूरिन. यूरिन को स्टोर करना जो है वो मेन फंक्शन है यूरिनरी ब्लैडर का. सो what is the main reason? That's why we can say that the main function of the urinary bladder is to store the urine. So urinary bladder is a temporary reservoir of urine. The urinary bladder is a temporary reservoir of the urine, and urine, it is stored in the urinary bladder. Urine, it is stored in the urinary bladder till it is passed out through urethra. So that's why the main function of the urinary bladder is to store urine. क्योंकि ये जो आपका urinary bladder है ये temporary reservoir है यूरिन का, and urine जो है it is stored in the urinary bladder and it is passed out through the urethra, और urethra के थ्रू जो होता है ये pass out होता है. Our next question is, that is your question number 3, and the question number 3 is, what is the main function of excretory system? Excretory system का main function क्या है? Options दी गई है to regulate fluid and electrolyte balance, to regulate fluid and electrolyte balance. Second one is to remove waste products. Third one is to control blood pressure, and the last one is to regulate blood sugar levels. तो आपको ये देखना है कि इसमें जो मेन फंक्शन है एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम का वो क्या है. जो एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम है उसका मेन फंक्शन क्या होता है कि जितना भी हमारी बॉडी में वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स होता है उसको वो पास आउट करता है. सो द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम इज टू रिमूव द वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम द बॉडी. सो इट इज द राइट आंसर. So the main function of the excretory system is to remove the waste products from the body. Whatever the waste products that is to be present in our body, that is to be passed out with the help of this excretory system. Our next question, that is your question number 4. Which of the following is not a waste product eliminated by the kidney? So जो kidney है हमारी वो क्या काम करती है? Out of these, आपके पास ऑप्शंस दी गई है. देयर आर 4 ऑप्शंस रिलेटेड विद द क्वेश्चंस, एंड आउट ऑफ दीज 4 ऑप्शंस which of the following is not a waste product that is to be eliminated by the kidney? इनमें से कौन है जो कि वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, दैट इज टू बी एलिमिनेटेड बाय द किडनी? ऑप्शंस हैं, नंबर 1 इज यूरिया, अमोनिया, क्रेटिनाइन एंड द सोडियम. सो बेटा हियर यूरिया, ammonia and creatinine, all these are the waste products that are to be eliminated by the kidney. But sodium, it is not a waste product that is to be eliminated by the kidney. So the right option is sodium. इसमें से हमें ये बताना था कि इनमें से कौन है जो कि वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, that is to be eliminated by the kidney. So urea, ammonia, creatinine, all these are the waste products that is to be eliminated by the kidney. But only sodium is the product that is not to be eliminated by the kidney, and it is not a waste product that is to be eliminated by the kidney. Our next question is question number 5, and your question number 5 is which organ is responsible for filtering the blood and removing waste products from the body? आपके पास ऑप्शंस दी गई हैं, इनमें से आपको ये बताना है कि कौन सा ऐसा ऑर्गन है दैट इज टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर फिल्टरिंग द ब्लड, हमारे ब्लड को फिल्टर करने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, एज वेल एज वट एवर द वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट इज टू बी प्रेजेंट इन अवर बॉडी, उसको रिमूव आउट करने में भी वो हेल्प करता है. सो आउट ऑफ दीज ऑर्गन्स यू choose the one option, and which is the right option that is to be responsible for filtering the blood and removing the waste products from the body. Options है liver, kidney, lungs and intestine. So liver, lungs and intestine, these organs are not responsible for filtering the blood as well as removing the waste products from the body, but out of them only kidneys are responsible for filtering the blood and removing the waste product from the body. So here the right answer is kidneys, because kidneys are the only organs that are responsible for filtering the blood as well as whatever the waste products that are present in our body that is to be eliminated with the help of the kidneys. So why kidneys are responsible for filtering the blood as well as removing the waste products from the body? Because each of our kidney, क्योंकि हम सभी जानते हैं each of our kidney is made up of millions of filtering units. Each of our kidney is made up of millions of filtering units, and these filtering units they are known as nephrons. उनको क्या कहा जाता है? Nephrons. So each of our kidney is made up of number of billions of the filtering units, and these filtering units they are called as nephron. And each nephron includes a filter. Each nephron includes a filter. वो फिल्टर को इंक्लूड करते हैं आपके नेफ्रॉन्स, और वो फिल्टर कौन से हैं? That are called as glomerulus as well as tubule. So these are the two हमारे ये क्या है फिल्टर्स हैं जो कि नेफ्रॉन हमारे इंक्लूड करते हैं. ईच नेफ्रॉन इंक्लूड्स अ फिल्टर, एंड दीज फिल्टर्स आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्लोमेरुलस एज वेल एज ट्यूब्यूल्स. ये आपको बता दिया गया बेटे. एंड द नेफ्रॉन्स दे वर्क थ्रू द 2-step प्रोसेस. जो नेफ्रॉन्स हैं दीज आर वर्किंग in the 2-step or in the 2-step processes. So the first process is that the glomerulus they filter our blood. जो glomerulus है इनका जो मेन फंक्शन है that is to be filter our blood. वो हमारे ब्लड को फिल्टर करते हैं. They filters our blood. And the tubules they returns the needed substances to our blood. जो भी needed substances हमारे ब्लड को जरूरत होती है वो ट्यूब्यूल्स क्या करते हैं? उनको रिटर्न बैक करते हैं. Whatever the needed substances that our body needs, that means the tubules they returns the needed substances to our blood and removes the waste products, whatever the waste products that are present in the body, that is to be removed with the help of the tubule. So that's why we can say that the filtering the organs that are responsible for filtering the blood and removing the waste products from the body, these are the kidneys. और इसमें आपको मैंने ऑप्शन बता दिया है, रीजन बता दिया है कि whatever the reason that kidneys they are responsible for filtering the blood and removes the waste product from the body, because each of our kidney is made up of millions of filtering units, and these filtering units they are called as nephron, and each nephron includes a number of filter units that are called as glomerulus as well as tubules. जो glomerulus है the glomerulus and tubules. And the nephrons, they work through two-step process. The glomerulus, they filter our blood, and tubules, they returns the needed substances to our blood and removes the waste products from the body. So here there are important 5 questions related with the excretory system, and these questions are very important from the examination point of view. So let us continue with our next topic, or our part number 2 related with the excretory system in our next lecture.